Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and today's video topic is what do city government and local governments really think about you as a property owner? Okay, a lot of people wonder what is the thought process in each and every city and town hall across the state. Are they with you? Are they against you? Are they indifferent? What is going on? So what I'm going to tell you now is totally an opinion. It's based on my experience managing hundreds and hundreds of rental properties throughout my career. Now, what I've noticed is this. When you have a rental property, you will not hear from the city when things are going good. So when the tenants are paying, the taxes are paid, the grass is cut, there's no problems with the neighbors, you're never going to hear from the city and say, hey, Mr. Owner, you're doing a great job out there. Keep it going. There's absolutely no praise at all. No news is good news when it comes to government. However, you will hear from them when things start to go south. So if you have, for example, trash lying outside, your grass is too high, your taxes are unpaid, your water, your sewer is unpaid, that's when you're going to start to hear from the city. So in sum, and the synopsis here is, when things are going bad, they're going to be crawling down your throat. Daily, phone calls, mail, email, showing up at the house, bothering your tenants, posting notices on the door. And that's rightfully so. You have a property in their municipality, you have to keep up. You have to pay your taxes. You have to pay for your utilities. You have to make sure that the property values are not going down because you're being a slumlord. So you need to understand that. They're not against you, they're not for you. They just want everything to be going smooth, nice, and easy. They have enough problems to deal with, so don't take it personal when you get that scary letter or that knock on the door. They're just doing their job, and they just want things back to normal so they can move on and continue being efficient. So once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.